AI is quietly reshaping the economy faster than most people realize. But while everyone's busy fearing automation, a small group of creators and entrepreneurs are using AI tools to build income streams that didn't even exist 5 years ago. Between now and 2035, AI side hustles will explode in value. And today I'll show you exactly what they are, how much money you can make, and how to get started even if you're starting from zero. Subscribe to Smart AI Hustle for weekly videos on AI, money-making tools, and the future of technology. Here's the crazy part. Only 3 of these AI side hustles exist right now. The other 2 will emerge between 2027 and 2030. And those who prepare early could easily be earning 5 figures a month when the next AI boom hits. So stay until the end, because I'll also reveal the roadmap that shows which side hustles to start with and when to pivot as technology evolves. Let's start with the first and most accessible, AI content agencies. This is where thousands of freelancers and small businesses are turning AI tools into profit machines. Imagine running your own digital agency that offers blog writing, video scripts, email marketing, or even full YouTube channel automation, all powered by AI. Tools like ChatGPT, Jasper, and Descript can help you create high-quality content in a fraction of the time it used to take. Here's how people are doing it. First, pick a niche, like e-commerce, SaaS, or real estate, where businesses are hungry for content but short on time. Then, package your services into clear offers. For example, 3 SEO articles per week for $500, or YouTube script and thumbnail copy for $250. Once you have your offers ready, start cold emailing potential clients. You can even use AI to write those outreach emails, personalized to each lead. One creator named Nicole started her AI content agency in early 2025. By month 4, she was earning $8,000 per month with just 6 retainer clients. Her secret? Consistency and clear results. She used ChatGPT for idea generation, Jasper for tone refinement, and Descript to edit client podcasts. If you do the same, expect to earn anywhere from $3,000 to $15,000 a month once you get rolling. Now, hustle number 2. AI automation consulting. This one's for people who want higher ticket clients and recurring monthly income. Businesses are drowning in repetitive tasks, from customer onboarding to data entry, and they'll gladly pay you to automate it. That's where tools like Zapier, Make.com, and N8N come in. Your job is simple. Audit a company's workflow, identify bottlenecks, and then build automations that save time and money. For example, you can create a system that automatically adds new leads from a website form to a CRM, sends a welcome email, and notifies a sales rep, all hands-free. Let's look at an example. Marcus, a part-time automation consultant, charges $2,000 per setup plus $500 per month for ongoing support. With just 8 clients, he earns around $9,000 monthly, and he only works 20 hours a week. If you can solve one painful workflow problem for a business, they'll keep paying you month after month. Want to start? Build a portfolio of 3 automation demos. Offer free consultations to local businesses, then upsell them on your setup package. You don't need to code. Just understand how data moves between tools and how to connect them with no-code apps. Moving on to hustle number 3, AI-powered digital products. This one's ideal if you prefer passive income over client work. Instead of offering services, you build once and sell forever. Digital products like prompt libraries, Notion templates with AI integrations, or bite-sized AI mini-courses are in massive demand. Platforms like Gumroad, Etsy, and Teachable make it simple. For example, you can sell a pack of 100 ChatGPT prompts for small business marketing at $29. Or a Notion template that integrates AI tools for creators at $49. These products cost nothing to reproduce and can generate income long after you've made them. Here's proof. Jenny created a simple ChatGPT prompt pack in 2024. She sold 847 copies at $27 each. That's over $22,000 in just 6 months. She built it once, automated her sales page with AI, and now it sells while she sleeps. So far, we've covered 3 hustles that already work today. But now, let's fast forward into the near future, because the next 2 AI side hustles are still emerging, and getting in early could be life-changing. If you're finding these AI side hustles valuable, hit that like button and comment checklist if you want my full AI income blueprint to launch your first $5,000 side hustle. Hustle number 4, AI video avatars. Between 2027 and 2030, AI avatars will revolutionize how businesses communicate. Tools like Synthesia, HeyGen and DID are already letting you generate realistic spokesperson videos without hiring actors or using cameras. As these tools become hyper-realistic, companies will need creators who can design and produce AI avatar videos for explainer content, ads, and online courses. Here's the opportunity. Start learning these tools now. Build a portfolio of 10 AI avatar samples using real scripts from your niche, say real estate videos, e-learning intros, or tech product explainers. When the market catches up, you'll already be an expert. A human video shoot might cost a company $500 per clip, but an AI-generated avatar version could cost just $50. That price difference means businesses will flood toward AI creators, and if you're early, you could earn $2,000 to $20,000 per month by scaling production. But remember, transparency is everything. Always disclose that your videos use AI-generated avatars. Ethical creators will win long-term, especially as regulations tighten around synthetic media. Finally, hustle number 5. AI personal assistants, the biggest and most futuristic of them all. By 2030, AI assistants will evolve from chatbots to fully autonomous systems that can manage tasks, schedule meetings, send emails, analyze data, and even make purchases. This will create a massive opportunity for freelancers who can build and customize these assistants for executives, entrepreneurs, and creators. Imagine building a personal AI assistant that handles a YouTuber's research, a CEO's email, or a marketer's ad tracking, and getting paid a monthly fee for maintaining it. That's what the early adopters of ChatGPT, custom GPTs, Claude projects, and similar platforms are already experimenting with. Here's how to prepare. Learn to integrate APIs, understand prompt engineering, and practice automating tasks using AI. Then find beta clients, people willing to pay $500 to $1,000 a month for a semi-autonomous assistant. Over time, as GPT-6 and multimodal AI improve, these assistants will handle 80% of admin work. And since executive time is valuable, even saving someone 15 hours a week could mean $12,000 a month in time saved. Value you can easily charge for. So, how do you tie all of this together? Here's the 2025-2030 roadmap for building your AI income empire. From 2025 to 2026, start with the first 3 hustles: AI content agencies, automation consulting, and digital products. These are the most proven and fastest to scale. By 2027, add AI video avatars to your portfolio as the technology matures. Then, between 2029 and 2030, start building custom AI personal assistants for the premium market. Each step compounds on the last, giving you skills and income that grow exponentially. Here's your simple checklist for today. Pick one hustle that fits your skills. Set up your tool stack using free trials: ChatGPT, Jasper, Zapier, Make.com, or HeyGen. Create your first service offer or product outline this week, and reach out to at least 10 potential clients or customers before next Sunday. Real talk. The first month is for learning and testing. The next 2 months are for landing your first paying clients. And by month 6, you could realistically earn $3,000 to $10,000 a month if you stay consistent and improve your workflows. Because AI isn't replacing everyone. It's replacing people who ignore it. Those who learn how to use it will dominate every new wave of opportunity. The 5 AI side hustles we covered are content agencies, automation consulting, digital products, video avatars, and personal assistants. 3 exist now, 2 are coming soon. Start with automation consulting. It's the fastest path to recurring cash flow and freedom. Subscribe to Smart AI Hustle for weekly videos on AI, money-making tools, and the future of technology. This video is for educational purposes only and not financial advice. Results may vary. No income is guaranteed. Always do your own research.